Pastor Robert Kayanja obira rwo mu kiterane cy'ebiro biro muri Ankole agizireho breakfast meeting n'abebembezi ba Ankole ar Hotel Triangle muri Mbarara City kandogu abashabiro kukuma obusinjo bwo mu ihanga no kwatanisiza hamwe mu madini gona.
Government cannot employ all of us even if they want to. That's why for us to demand them to employ us more, that's why they're taxing us more. We need to create work. And work is all around us. Work is all around us.
Abebembezi b'amadini aba government hamwe n'abebitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe okurwo muri Ankole bashira breakfast stage.
He has reconciled nations. He has united nations. He has connected nations. As I was telling you recently at Miracle Center, we had Command the Future conference, and he was hosting.
Yaga kayashemesa ahakwatanisa kabebembezo korro muhinite ahabo kubatino muntu kubasa kore kintu wenka. We all need hands. Yasimu mwami richa habuje cyatebekanise konkanke cyo kureberaho richa nawe nabatachikoziре wenka ari nabanda bamuyambere.
Ikiri cyakebe kinayega ngo wawe ine yamba batini. Because now how he has said the Karamajongo or Payambra abantu basaza Sudani wakiti so nareba ikintu cyo kubina mu gihe atachini cyumuhereza kikwate
nci kugira amasiko buri umuntu we na wotine amasiko no buri umuntu kandi yagarga yacumesa kintu cyo gukora yakotinga yagira ngo naye ruhanga wenka akaba ari umukozi Yesu akagera ngo tarakora atari
otebenkanise kiterane ki Rick Tumwesiga hamwe no mukunda we arukunda Christabel basimire ruhanga abwe byabarabizemu nuko kutebenkanise kiterane ki
intoro kusima mnonga ruhanga abwe aboshinjo cyamagara inyira kusima Pastor Witu Pastor Robert Kayanja okwikiriza akahonaringa okweta kwetu umakagitu agabwizibwera
nabwanyuma Pastor Robert Kayanja agarukira cyayi cyabwizibwera ahe kiterane kibire kiri aho nkuyanja babire bamurinzire ne kikakingi
kama agenda kweta bamemba bamwe mu cyaro kama nakweta bamemba bamwe mu cyaro nakulumu bisobanwe memba wo agenda kweta kimwe cyo kujya kimwe ngakutia ngombe ya seka ya seka
ekiterane ki kikwire kiro cyabushesheri izoba kandi kimazire biro bibiri aho cyayi cyabwizibwera omuri Kashari Mbarara district. Ndi Evans Tarema ahabwa TV West agacenchwire.